game, that we got enough opportunities to create huge chances and score goals. And we had such a great start last set. And Ghana was very well organized, and they really wanted to come into duel and tried to stay out of there. So I think we could have speeded up the game a little more, and also getting into the half spaces more and behind the defense would have helped a bit.
Okay. And the England coach, Sarina Wigman, or say Amuba game no. Or catch her in the Mario and said, this is Ghana. I mean, China, and when you had the create your my, it's a good goal post in Momi and Kona, young causes some good goal post in him. And almost started the game, no, I mean, no, they were creating a lot of chances. But at a point, I say a Black Queens team, the chance says almost settled. No, who's only a well organized team. And also a Ghana team number so pa. But then run a Mario on the share air Ghana there, but Kakra a free Ghana team no. Also Ghana team a solid and well organized team. A few say and Yema ebetimi akoye pa at the ama aye Ghana. Before the game, of course, your coach came last. On also can say almost so game do a funny game do be so be share England, but say England ebe share no 20 50 whatever enya no any idea about here, but the exercise, you know, I mean, team no addition so benya a free game on Mukako no, and no any idea about one here pa near ball game you know. Intia came last. Result no na you okay, and na on you okay.
Right now, 67 in the ranking. We're playing against England, that is potentially right now the best team in the world, and we do it in an away game. We are standing up, we are fighting for 90 minutes. I think that we can be really proud how we was performing in the game, how hard the girls worked, and overall I'm really happy.
Okay, and the coach, you know, I'm proud of the girls, you know, and now boy, Editia England. Also say, I'm a football, we are seeing England for only born ball. So what I say, and maybe to say Ghana. Na afeni etimi, yes, she near mama near me to now on England, Cobobon, can you say about Ghana, or Cobono on the English soil, normal show 2 lira. Only send a Mariano, also Bia, and so about Omo Abasua. Adna, I know any kakra a team. I wore a year game. Ayala Mamisa sent for free. Minim sa praises na ye hippie. I wore team no so no only South for Yadi. Say I share 2 days, but still no. As will be as ya share there, but we did well.
I think Omo Kasano are not looking at the short-term results, you know.
Okay.
Omo share the kind of Black Queens are in kakra building. And H see a question ye kuya enche the Black Queens will be elite women's national team not only in Africa. See a bob sene ye kuye if we keep improving at this level sene ye kuya Rich will be world beaters. And my England, you know, my boy, you know. And unim the entire Ashi or Mukochi, no. I know we could have scored more, no. Rich, no credit say, Wabo Ghana 90 minutes. One shut down, share open play goal. Papa Bia. The first one was a mistake, and the second goal was a VAR penalty. It or share 90 minutes against Ghana. Now when to me England, I was share China 8. Say African team to me be Chino, and then the book set a tough gamer. And the man who said, Ghana for they are a good team. Look, we score line to Nhyira. Rich, me and we can't beat England now. But the DNA how your team will fare against them. And no matter now you want to concentrate on as an analyst, the structure of the team. Team no your structure. The way I say Hujina Park and so no. And you could clearly see this a team that is well structured without the ball. Number 2, team mentality. Rich, before everybody game, not came last in it. Santa Boya catch here and say, England, but Yanko go say, as a team, me. And when you watch the mentality, and whenever we had the ball, Rich, we also came out to play. That is the reason why against Asantuamu and the Posha.
Ayala, or again in the island.
Against the
yes, Asantua,
I was beginning to get worried, say, Evelyn Bedu and Amiration in Mupa say, or be carry team no. I said, only be up to expectation. But Rich, say, who grace her? Namakuma Tommy Yam. The guy only more bankasa, only more papa. Now, Moya shows a boy about you 36 years. Ye captain.
Because
born or born. And when we say, your former goalkeeper Sulemana, that what your tita say, or Sreposha Boachia, Yetimno, or more couples will be. Because Bibian Jesu winning. The team is solid and kasa. And we should include in a dear Becky Katim no. Any the way on which your say elbow games now. From the structure to mentality to the confidence. And I think say because we are doing a lot of things right, lack in poker our side. Rich, young Kosi Kwakoshe England. Ye ko say ye ko lift your spirit. Now by the time you best started the next Emma Afcon no. Na ye wo mujidi say we are good enough to conquer Africa. And even game na born and run, even Nigeria players the crowd boy players na so. It means say you started the who be to almost say look, Ghana is coming and here my football no is rising. Me krano. I know me so honorable Kofi Adams. No when who ne tweets. You know honorable echo tweet after the game. And I'll say a bold and brilliant performance from the Black Queens tonight. Your growth, grace, and grace inspire us all. We are proud of you. We are behind you, and we are just getting started. That is from the Honorable Kofi Idi Adams, the Sports and Recreation Minister. Honorable, you are proud of Mayuano. Indeed. Mr. as a binary senior sports, and then while buying in Casa, Namun taking responsibility over my one my a plea any de more. Send it when a near Jim my one. Almost so this said, there also my one. They should take it serious and do it for Omo. And open me bar office. Yes, throw more. And Suzando can say, I dear about Queen money worried. A year and story now the buy came last. Juma papa nebo. Ritima on shishe. Yembese be to say no hop to the enemy. By a way yetim na ebe do time ebe hia no no. No so ja. Which ya we asare be. Because na me no ka say no na the next starting be ka chem ma anya ni. Ka chem say there are countries, there are even clubs. No, because Nigerians no. Because I no pay me share that call Nigeria for no on both side. Players, former players, coaches, omu Black Queens team. Yes. Eti we are sure say omu kra na I'm telling Obieshe. Kimlazi. Obieshe Rich. Obieshe. Omu consider na nyan kofa no. Me say apart from national teams, there are clubs and even in Europe. So omu eni no honti emu me na ho enya sodin enkoye social media tweets. Yes, said there was a Yema Black Queens and send a Yema Black Stars, you know, because the story they say, ye into Obianim. Say, I said Black Queens technical team, no, are buying to your mocha. Even Black Queens, crack match ye kobo ye, are buying him. But and can your Black Stars no so much friendlier. Say, your agency, I organize a game no my car. I will take care of it if it's a preparatory match. Say, bet me our body a team no idea my. But a bomb man aside now, the real pay for say you money a moment, and you're too much, and almost silence really becoming too loud. Mr. Honorable, yes, the tweet is important, but among for my sadia now also when the tattoo on so tattoo. Now you I am quiet. Come rich. Maybe 2-0.
Yeah, I think Zenra, it was a very successful exercise. The Chimupo Edikobo game was a very good one. Exposure. Say that should be a man, so we do our level now. They will not be caught in the moment. So any England boy, any Germany, any Bunty. Now I started making some mistakes, which is good. And then maybe there are two things that I was particularly excited about. And Kim Laseka organization, where only big team bar. Anna, it's not about say Obeshen 3-4, but organization. And at the top level tournaments on the amount will standing out a organization with the ball, without the ball, what you do, specific zone, first zone, second zone, it makes a lot of the difference. And I think that we were near perfect in that regard, which I'm very certain say the government today would want to use sports as something to unify Yenya and score good points in the eyes of Ghanaians.
Yes, I'm abandoning the echo now.
It's a more simple advice, which they should go the Black Queens way. They will get success. Black Queens know low hanging fruits. Black Stars hanging fruits. The next competition, the Black Stars will go to a World Cup. Yebejana. Yebejana. It's possible. But when we go to the next AFCON for the women, the qualifiers are on. Omo do even semi-final, final. The last time we had the semi-final. If we do the final, a mouse stocks echo high. So if there is ever any amount of money echo Black Stars are, we should look at the way to channel that amount of money, or same, or even better, to everything. Which Nyaya Black Stars now. We should do near that for the Black Queens. See, you're investing in analysts for the Black Stars. Any set piece coaches in Sanyama, you see that it's yielding results at the Black Stars level. We need to do the same for the girls. And look at where they'll go. Have you asked yourself why no I have to leave free Ghana? Was it the Zambian national team? They've not done too well. Why? In terms of the materials at the Bayejuma, we have that better than them. They can have one player, the best African player, what have you. But in terms of the collective, a woman that is 30-something years old, a bobo, I mean, she's physique. She looks perfect as a sportswoman. Or in a juma. Then again, the job they be a catch us idea about dang. So all time we could do so in America with this FA is the investment in female sports, especially at the juvenile level. The transition from under 17, under 18, and 21 to the senior Black Queens is seamless. Girls, all the girls that we watch here, they Waffle B. A chunk of them are in the Black Queens.
Doris.
Oh yeah. The base of the work has been done. We have the quality. We have transitioning. Your harmonious environment. What we need now is proper management. If those who are close to the team are saying that things are not going on well with respect to players, I mean the basic things, even away from the main things, the basic things. I say your mom, rich. The minister should look at it. I think that every Ghanaian was proud. It was a proud moment. Only the three Lionesses, European champions, defend your batch and BM, and they played very well even at the World Cup. And you know ball nicely. I think that was a very good one, Church.
Yes, 30 I am my born. Me sure said the entire your lower standard was rich. Na embemano. Your friend your senior national team na near friend bogus.
Yeah.
But your man there, even at that time, na your man, your Black Queens need local players. But now, when him said the man and then yet me competing say, yes, your man now have started playing professional football. I'm on it. Internet Evelyn Bedum on board. Grace Asantua on board. Even Comfort Nyamiche John Boy is gone. Into Omuni now corner. Now you call Blasters and they are bogus. You call Black Queens, they are bogus too. And to expose the munya or honor. So mubana so be more sebi local treatment say I said the first now the more muna. That is where the motivation, you know. I know almost so that some you know. It's in say ye mobi e baby a free bow. Omunya wo bibi man.
I say from Pamcho ye boss say about before e be kokran na maka cho say oyo obi out